Is digestive system. Firstly, what is digestion? So the breakdown of food molecules into simpler substances, or we can say water soluble substances, by which it can be absorbed by blood plasma is known as digestion. So this is the structure of our digestive system. Now the parts of digestive system. This is mouth, this is esophagus, this is stomach, this is liver, this is gallbladder, this is pancreas, this is small intestine, this is large intestine, and this is anus. These all are the parts of our digestive system. Now we clearly see that all the parts in digestive system are connected with each other and they form a long tube, and we call this tube alimentary canal. And there are some essential glands such as salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. So the alimentary canal and some glands combine to form a digestive system. This is the whole digestive system. Now the food we eat enters in digestive system through our mouth, then it goes to stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, and finally thrown out by the anus. This is the flow of food in our digestive system. Now the food we eat should be soft or wet, otherwise it is difficult to swallow it in alimentary canal. So who done this job? Teeth, saliva, and tongue makes food soft and wet. So the food we eat enters in our mouth. Teeth crushes the food, tongue mixes the food with saliva, and saliva makes the food wet. So the food is now soft and bolus. Now there is a gland present in our mouth is known as salivary gland. Which gland secretes salivary amylase? It is used to convert carbohydrates into simple sugar. Now the food we swallow goes to esophagus, which is food pipe, and then goes to stomach. Now question arises, how the food goes in the alimentary canal? So the muscles of the alimentary canal shows rhythmic contraction and relaxation. It is known as peristaltic movements. So the peristaltic movements allow the food to travel inside the alimentary canal. Now the food goes to stomach through the esophagus, which is our food pipe. Now stomach has gastric juices. These are HCl, pepsin, and mucus. So HCl, the bacteria comes with food is killed by the HCl, and second HCl also provide acidic media to the food. Second one is pepsin. Pepsin is used for the digestion of protein, but there's a condition that pepsin needs acidic media, which is given by HCl. And now third one is mucus. Mucus is present in the lining of the stomach to protect it by the action of HCl. Now the food goes to our small intestine through anal sphincter. This muscle pushes the food towards the small intestine. Now small intestine receives bile juice from liver and pancreatic juices from pancreas and intestinal juices from the walls of the intestine. Now bile juice. Bile juice is secreted by liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile juice is used for the emulsification of the fat molecules, and second, bile juice provide alkaline medium to the food for the digestion of protein and carbohydrate. Now pancreatic juices and intestinal juices are pancreatic amylase, trypsin, and lipase. So pancreatic amylase converts carbohydrate into simple sugar or glucose, and trypsin converts protein into amino acid, and lipase converts fat into fatty acid. Now the absorption of food. So the food is absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. The walls of the small intestine has villi, which are finger-like projection, which increases the surface area for the digestion of the food. Now the undigested food goes to large intestine. In large intestine, the blood absorbs the water by the process of osmosis, and then the finally undigested food goes to rectum and thrown out from the body by anus. This is about our digestive system. Now let's see how it's work. this is the whole process of digestion in our body. Thank you.